day to everybody. My name is Akshata Tiwari. I'm a PhD research scholar at MET School of Hospitality, MET University, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. And today I'll be presenting on the topic impact of outsourcing of housekeeping services on the management of human resources in five-star hotels of Delhi NCR. And I've written this paper along with my guide, Dr. Malini Singh, and my co-guide, Dr. Ashish Dharia. So before we start, I'll just introduce to the topic outsourcing. So outsourcing is basically a business function, or we can say a management strategy, where we hire somebody outside of the organization. And in my case, hotel, we hire somebody outside the hotel to carry out some task or functions for the in-house services. And here we are talking about hotel housekeeping department. So basically, the purpose of this study is to study the application of outsourcing and how it is impacting the human resources management of the hotel housekeeping department. And basically, the target sample area of my study was five-star hotels in Delhi NCR, the National Capital Region. So basically, we had the questionnaire was circulated among the managers of five-star hotels, including the HR managers as well as the housekeeping management level employees. And we basically asked them regarding firstly usage of outsourcing in hotels, whether they are outsourcing or not. So we divided that question into four parts, like if they are outsourcing or not. Yes, first statement was yes, we are outsourcing. For that, 45% of the managers said that they are outsourcing. Second one was they stopped out. They were outsourcing in the past, but they stopped outsourcing. So 26.3% of the hotels said that they stopped outsourcing. And keeping in mind the pandemic situation, we also added intention to outsource in the future. So we added two options for that. Firstly was we are not outsourcing but intend to outsource in the future. And for that, 18.7% of the managers said agreed to the statement. And lastly was they are not outsourcing and do not intend to outsource in the future. And the least score was given to this. It was 10%. Secondly, we asked them that, okay, if you're outsourcing, then what are basically your composition of outsourced staff in your total employee count? So we divided it into 0 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, and 31 and above. The majority of the hotels had 0 to 10 in-house, 0 to 10 outsourced employees. That was 52.5%. And the least had 31 and above. That was only 1.2%. So this was basically this part. And then we during the review of literature, we came out to some indicators of human resource management. And from that we chose work environment, employee satisfaction, increased competitiveness, HR, decrease in HR cost, improvement in quality of staff. And lastly, we asked them regarding the management of human resources, what is the do you think there's a positive impact? And the highest mean score we got for the increased employee satisfaction. The managers perceived that outsourcing application of outsourcing increased the employee satisfaction, and the mean score came out to be 2.56. The second highest mean score came out for the work environment. So as if we say that the employee satisfaction is increased, then obviously there would be an impact on positive impact on the work environment as well. So they agreed to that as well. The third so came out for the increased competitiveness. So competitiveness in a case that individual competitiveness, that how employees are they feeling competitive or not while conducting their activities, while the outsourcing is being practiced in house. So that was asked, and this was the third highest mean score for it. And the least mean score was given to the statement that application of outsourcing improved the quality of staff. So still we can see, infer from it that managers still not feel that with the application of outsourcing, the overall quality is being improved. They still feel that, so we can suggest them that might they try training the outsourced employees, so it would help them in improving the quality. So if we come to the discussions and conclusions, so basically, as I said, 45% practice outsourcing, 26.3% stopped, and 18.7% don't outsource but intend to outsource in the future. And lastly, 10 don't outsource and are not intended to outsource in the future. And then majorly 0 to 10 contractual employees employed in the sample population, and least came out to be 31 above employees, that was 1.2%. And then, as I told you, we analyzed the response, the statements, and the highest mean score was for outsourcing increased employee satisfaction, and the least came out for application of outsourcing improved quality of staff. Then the limitations suggestions for the current study would be that the present research was limited to only the area of in further studies in the future. Studies may be conducted on different parts of the country or even globally, and the current research was focused only on the hotel housekeeping department. In the further studies, we can also take up the other hotel departments like food and beverage, front office, and even other industries can also study on that. And the other aspects of human resource management like rewards, health and safety of employees, talent management can also be studied in the future in the further studies. So that's it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Tiwari, for your